Now let's do some final touch-ups on our planet, and so we can be finished with it. So if we look here, we see that we have our planet up and running, and let's go ahead, we can click on our clouds layer. I don't like the clouds layer, it's a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go into an erase tool. Let's set it down a little bit. I'm going to set my opacity, I'm just going to key it in. Let's key it in at 15. And this way I can go through here and really erase out some of the stuff I don't like. Oops, have it selected on the wrong part, that's fine. Click clouds up here. There we go, and I can erase it. And it doesn't matter what it looks like when I'm done with it. I can always go back and spherize this again. But I just want to give it just a little bit more of, let's go ahead and enlarge just a little bit. Take our brush down to 0.5%. There we go. You've always got to key in the double numbers. If you don't key in the double numbers, the brush will actually set itself at 50% versus your 5%. That looks alright for right now. We'll just take this off, and I'll play with this a little bit later. And we'll come to our land here. And let's go ahead and click on our land copy. Now, if I want to, let's take this down a bit. Let's actually set our opacity at 50%. Actually come in here and really redefine some of my land with my brush, erasing away some of my layer mask on my land copy. And actually just making it look how I want it to look. We'll give it a little bit more. Let's take it down a little bit. Let's give it a little less grass on these mountain edges up here. Nice crazy mountain chain this planet has. There we go. Because of course the higher peaks aren't going to have quite as much. Now you can go here and put another layer on top of it and actually add snow up here if you are so inclined. Or you can actually just add it with your brush tool, however you feel. So, and we can also take and we can just go into a blur brush as well. So let's go into our smudge tool, let's go into our blur tool here. And we can come through here, and if we just take and we lock these layers of our land here, let's grab them like so, and we'll just come up here and we just have them both like so, and I guess it's, yeah, we'll go ahead and link layers like this. They're linked. Now we come up here and hit our blur tool. Oh, cannot use a blur tool because more than one layer is selected. That's alright. Click our land tool here. We just come through here and blend some of this out, depending on how we want to make it look. That way we can give this a more texturized, personalized feel as we're playing with this. So play around with it, make your little living planet look how you want it to, and have fun with it and enjoy.